Did you know the ornaments found in Armenian embroidery are also found in Armenian carpets?
Hi, I'm Kyle from the Rug Code.
And I'm Lizzie from Armenian Embroidery.
And we're going to compare some ornaments that are found both in Armenian rugs and in embroidery.
Armenian ornaments come to us from the very distant parts and can be found on all kinds of material cultures from the Armenian highlands.
Starting from ancient petroglyphs and cave paintings all the way to more recent arts and crafts such as pottery, woodwork, and stonework.
Let's compare the ornaments on this apron from the Vaspurakan region of Western Armenia
with a rug produced by the Rug Code.
This apron is likely from Sarsun in the Vaspurakan region of Western Armenia.
And this flat weave was designed and is handmade to order in Armenia's Sunik province. It's called dragon bloom precisely because of the ornaments used in its composition. Let's dive deeper.
In the center of the apron, we see 4 blooming flowers sprouting out of an 8-pointed star. The flowers are also represented by 8-pointed stars, and the floral ornament they make up has 8 leaves. Stars represent life and offer protection in Armenian culture, while the number 8 is sacred across cultures, representing eternity.
The ornament on the apron is almost identical to the ornament that we see in the center of dragon bloom, where again, there are 2 flowers sprouting from a seed when viewed horizontally. Another interpretation of this ornament is that they're not flowers, but in fact, dragons.
Dragons are represented everywhere in the apron, and we can see them in 2 different kinds of stitches, here and here.
In Armenian folklore, dragons are guardians of water and mighty creatures of great grace, wisdom, and at times calamity. They live deep beneath the earth's surface and can bring disastrous floods and rains with them when they emerge. Dragons have the ability to block flowing water and rain, causing droughts. They also have the ability to release water, which is why ancient Armenians erected dragon stones or vishapakars like this one at or near water sources to protect them and to ensure that their water was always flowing.
Dragons symbolize both destruction and guardianship, depending on their story, but generally in rugs and embroidery they have a protective quality.
The dragons in the apron and the rug appear in their simplest form, which typically looks like the letter Z or S. These symbols would later be highly embellished and stylized, like we see here, in dragon rugs from Artsakh.
Let's move on to this motif, which is either interpreted as a blooming flower or a dragon. It looks like a plant full of seeds. As this apron was worn by a woman, it may represent fertility.
This ornament is prominently used in another rug, which local weavers in Sunik call pakhlava, because the rug looks like a tray of cut pakhlava.
What do you see in these symbols? Let us know in the comments.